In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an envelope in Docusign step by step so you can quickly send documents out for electronic signatures with confidence. We'll start from the home dashboard in Docusign. Once you're logged in and you see your main dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the option labeled Start. Click on Start, and from the menu that appears, choose Send an Envelope. An envelope in Docusign is basically a digital package that contains your documents, your recipients, and all the signing instructions. Everything you send out for signature is sent inside one of these envelopes, so getting this part right is important. After selecting Send an Envelope, you'll be taken to a new page where you can upload your documents. This is where you add the files that need to be signed. Click the button to upload documents from your computer or choose a cloud storage option if that's where your files are stored. Take a moment to double check that you're uploading the correct version of the document, because once it's sent, any mistakes mean you'll have to void it and start over. You can add more than one document to the same envelope if multiple files need to be signed by the same people. Once your documents are in place, it's time to add recipients. Look for the section where you can type in the email addresses and names of the people who need to sign or receive the document. For each recipient, you can usually choose a role, such as needs to sign, receives a copy, or other similar options your account may offer. Make sure the email addresses are accurate, since Docusign will send the invitation directly to those inboxes. If you're sending something to yourself as well, you can add your own details as one of the recipients. If your envelope has more than one recipient, you'll likely want to set a signing order. This determines the sequence in which people receive and sign the document. For example, you might want one person to sign first and only after they've finished. The next person gets the invitation. To set this up, assign a routing order number next to each recipient, such as 1 for the first signer, 2 for the second, and so on. If order doesn't matter, you can give them all the same number, and Docusign will send the invitation to everyone at the same time. Next comes one of the most important parts, adding fields. Click into the document preview area and choose the recipient you want to place fields for. Then drag and drop the fields you need onto the document. These might include signature fields, initials, date signed, text fields, or checkboxes depending on what information you need from each person. Place each field exactly where you want the signer to interact. Switch between recipients as needed, making sure every required signature and piece of information has a field assigned. This step ensures the signer's experience is clear and that nothing is missed. When everything looks good, your recipients are set, the order is correct, and all fields are placed, you're ready to send. Click the Send button. Docusign will immediately generate and send the email invitations to your recipients, and you'll be able to track the status of the envelope from your account, seeing who has viewed and who has signed. That's all there is to it. You've just created and sent an envelope in Docusign.